Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the Alpinestar Orion Monster Techshell Drystar jacket. I'm going to take a walk around. This is a 3-in-1 jacket. You may be looking for a jacket for winter riding. That's also you can use in the summertime as well. You're just looking for that jacket that's a bit of an all-rounder and you're not looking to obviously spend money on a leather jacket. This may be right for you. So let's take a quick look around it. So as you can see, some nice designer touches on it with the Monster logo and some bright colours, some reflective materials on it. It has a number of features. You'll see down here at the sleeve we have zips, so we can obviously zip those up for your gloves. Some side pockets, one on either side. Here you have some Velcro adjustments on the sleeves, some reflective material again. The jacket obviously comes with protection in the elbows and the shoulders. There is no back protector. If you want a back protector, that is something you'll have to buy separate. All zips are weather proof, so keep the elements out. On the side here we have some venting, so keep you dry. Obviously if you're going to use this jacket as a summertime jacket, I'll just kind of come out there a wee bit. You can see the logo on the back of it. So if we just lay it out here on the ground, get a look at the jacket. So I mentioned about obviously a fleece inside for your winter riding. This zips in, so these zips here along the side, so you can just easily drop those out. And obviously then this is your dry shell jacket. There is some wee hookums snookums here in, I don't know if you can see that. So inside the sleeve there's wee clips in there that keep the jacket in place. There is some inner pockets obviously inside the dry shell. This side, just to show you, that's the fleece hoodie, and I will have obviously a better picture of that in the video. You know, if you're going to ride with that, it's more of a casual wear kind of thing, unless obviously you're going to wear separate armor protection with that. It's kind of more for casual wear, I would say. It's nice to touch, nice to feel. I've worn this out already on the bike. Keeps you toasty. You definitely won't get the elements at you. As I say, plenty of Monster logo. I find it nice because some people like a pure dark jacket, no logos or anything on it at all, but I like that wee bit of reflection, and I kind of think that's nice in this jacket. You can still stand out. Those motorists can see you, and you won't be you know, you're not just all black. Especially in the winter riding season, you do want that wee bit of visibility. I'll just show you back a jacket again. Alpinestar logo, Monster logo on it. Nice, as I say. You know, stands out. Some reflective material along the sleeves, up around here, up the top as well. Reflective on that sleeve. Yeah. Size wise, this jacket's a small. It's a snug fit. I wear a 48 jacket in the Dinese, so just kind of be aware of that. Do have a look at the size. Overall, a nice jacket. It's very comfortable, keeps the elements away from you, and obviously, you know, it doubles as a summer jacket as well. So if you're looking for something that's a bit of an all-rounder, I'd recommend looking at it. I'll leave the prices and the links to the description. Thanks for watching, guys.